Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. There are full tutorials available on the website, on the YouTube channel as well. Line by line code is explained and you can create wonderful websites for your projects, for the school projects or for college projects or for any business requirements. Definitely try to build these projects. The source code is available and full tutorials are also available in the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So now let's go to the website. So you can see the navbar, home, about, qualification. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements and you can see how we neatly align the text as well as we have aligned the information of experience, projects completed and companies worked with by using the justify content space around text, and then we can go to the about me section. You can see the hover effect on the button and you can see the technologies. This the way that we have aligned back end and front end. You can see the icon that we have added before the technology name, and you can see how we align the subtitle element and as well as subtitle, and we have also added the underline using the after effect of CSS function. Then we can see the professional qualification, that is experience, and by using the grid we have aligned them in the website. And you can see the icons also, how we integrate the icons. Then you can see the resume button and you can see the hover effect. Then we have the services section, that is front end. You can see the hover effect on the box and you can see the box will expand as well as the background color will change. And then we have the projects. You can see the projects. Then you can see the hover effect on the demo button. You can see how neatly we have aligned them, equally spaced. Then we can go to the testimonial section. You can see how the testimonial section is aligned. By clicking on this button, you can change. By using the directly also, it will move from one testimonial to another testimonial by 2 seconds to each testimonial. It will repeat by using JavaScript JS delivery. By using that library, we are creating this. Then you can go to the contact me section, get in touch. You can see the hover effect on the button. Then you can see those footer elements, social media icons. You can see the hover effect, and this you can see the now bar also, scroll bar also. You can see hover effect on the scroll bar, and this website is entirely responsive. That is, it is available. It is also available in the mobile as well as in the tab version. Let me show you that. So you can see this is the mobile version. You can see how neatly it is aligned, and you can see all elements are aligned, equally spaced. There are no errors, and how neatly it is aligned. You can see by clicking on the menu element, you can get the menu icons visible, and you will be moved to that particular section whenever we click on that nav element. You can see the smooth transition also. If we go back, and this website is also available in tab version. You can see this is the tab version. The website is available in all three formats, as it is entirely responsive for different devices: tab, mobile, desktop version. We have seen the desktop version also. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The full tutorial is also available in the uh, YouTube channel. Line by line code is explained over there. Please visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you.